Here are some of the best and modern technology tools for electric cars. The autopilot system has been the subject of much discussion and controversy due to its ability to allow drivers to take their hands off the wheel for extended periods of time. While Tesla has repeatedly stated that the system is not fully autonomous and that drivers must remain attentive and ready to take control at all times, critics argue that this message is not clear enough and that drivers may be lulled into a false sense of security. Despite these concerns, many Tesla owners swear by the autopilot system and praise its ability to reduce driver fatigue and increase safety on long journeys. As self-driving technology continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how Tesla and other car manufacturers balance the benefits of autonomy with the need for responsible driving practices. Tesla has recently released a significant update to its autopilot system, which aims to address concerns regarding its safety performance after a fatal crash earlier this year. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, believes that this update could potentially reduce the accident rates by up to 50%. Tesla's version 8 software update is set to launch, bringing significant improvements to the autopilot functionality of the company's electric vehicles. Autopilot, an available feature on all Model S and Model X cars manufactured since October 2014, encompasses a suite of features that enable the vehicles to self-steer and adjust their speed in various driving conditions, using a combination of imaging, sonar, and radar sensors. With the new version 8, the vehicles will increasingly depend on the radar sensor integrated into the car's bumper, further enhancing their autonomous capabilities. Tesla Autopilot System, how it uses radar and other sensors to ensure safety on the road. In order to handle different driving scenarios, semi-autonomous driving systems use a variety of sensors. These sensors provide a breadth of data that can be cross-referenced to validate what each sensor detects. Tesla's autopilot system, however, is taking things to the next level. With the latest update, the car's radar can now work independently without relying on any other sensors. That being said, the autopilot system does depend on the information collected by other Tesla vehicles on the road to identify street signs and other objects that might be difficult to detect with radar alone. Tesla's autopilot system has been under scrutiny since the fatal crash in May 2016. Critics have argued that the autopilot system is not safe enough for public use, while supporters have pointed out that the system is still in beta testing and that drivers are warned to keep their hands on the wheel at all times. Regardless of the criticisms, Tesla has continued to push forward with updates to the autopilot system. Version 8 is perhaps the most significant update yet, with improvements to both the hardware and software of the system. The new hardware includes an additional radar sensor at the front of the car, which will give the autopilot system a better view of the road ahead. The software improvements are even more significant, with greater reliance on the car's radar and less reliance on its cameras. Overall, these updates should make the autopilot system safer and more reliable. While it's unlikely that the autopilot system will ever be perfect, Tesla's commitment to continuous improvement is certainly commendable. Tesla Autopilot. Self-driving capabilities. Tesla Autopilot is the most advanced ADAS system on the market, offering Level 2 autonomous driving features. This means that the car can automatically steer, brake, and accelerate within its lane, allowing the driver to focus on other aspects of the journey. Lane centering. Tesla Autopilot uses cameras and sensors to identify lane markings and keep the car centered in its lane, even on curved roads. Adaptive cruise control. Tesla Autopilot can also maintain a set distance from the car in front of it, using radar to adjust the car's speed. Automatic lane changes. With a turn signal activated, Tesla Autopilot can automatically change lanes, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition while maintaining the cruise control setting. The BMW Driving Assistant Professional is designed to enhance driving safety and comfort by providing a range of advanced driver assistance features. The system uses a combination of cameras and sensors to monitor the vehicle's surroundings, including other vehicles, pedestrians, and road markings. Lane departure warning is one of the key features of the BMW Driving Assistant Professional. It alerts the driver if the vehicle starts to drift out of its lane unintentionally, helping to prevent accidents caused by driver distraction or fatigue. Lane keeping assist takes this a step further by actively steering the vehicle back into its lane if necessary. Emergency braking is another important feature, which can help to prevent or mitigate collisions in the event of an emergency. The system uses sensors to detect potential collisions with other vehicles or pedestrians, and can automatically apply the brakes to avoid or reduce the impact of a collision. Overall, the BMW Driving Assistant Professional is an advanced ADAS system that offers a range of features to enhance driving safety and comfort. It's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's safety technology. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package to include additional autonomous features. Beginning this summer, BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package will include new functions that are designed to make highway driving more autonomous. This set of new features is the result of BMW's involvement in the autonomous driving industry, where it has been working with partners such as Mobileye for quite some time now. The new features prioritize steering and lane guidance assistance. Specifically, the active navigation guidance system will prompt lane changes required to remain on the selected route when destination guidance is active. The lane change assistant is a common feature in modern cars and is designed to make driving on highways safer and more convenient. It uses sensors and cameras to detect other vehicles in adjacent lanes and alerts the driver if it's safe to change lanes. Some vehicles even allow the driver to activate the turn signal and the car will change lanes automatically. However, the implementation of this feature varies by country due to different legislative limitations. While some countries allow cars to change lanes automatically, others require the driver to initiate the lane change manually. BMW's decision to disable this option in certain regions of the world is likely due to compliance with local laws and regulations. Overall, the lane change assistant is a useful tool that can help drivers stay safe on the road. As technology continues to advance, we can expect more innovations in this area that will make driving even more convenient and efficient.